people assume we are simply a cleaning company. We are not. Crystal Mount Workplace Services provides structured, professional workplace solutions designed to protect environments, maintain standards, and support operational efficiency. So, what do we actually do at Crystal Mount? Well, let me break it down for you. First of all, we provide fully serviced commercial contract cleaning services tailored to office environments, corporate spaces, retail facilities, mining and industrial settings as well. This includes daily, weekly, and scheduled cleaning programs designed around your operational needs. We provide washroom hygiene solutions, including soap dispensers, whether standard or antibacterial, sanitary bin services, full paper trail compliance protocol involved as well, and sharps removal. We also provide air freshening systems and sanitizer units, hand drying solutions, consumable supply, and replenishment, of course. Because hygiene doesn't stop at visible cleanliness, we also provide pest control services focused on preventative strategies and professional treatment plans for commercial environments. We offer deep cleaning and specialized services, including carpet cleaning and window cleaning, upholstery cleaning, high access cleaning or high level cleaning, post-construction cleaning, kitchen extractor cleaning, and grease trap servicing. Kitchen deep cleaning, meaning complete sanitization and decontamination of the entire kitchen environment, and of course the certification that goes with that. We supply and support facility management and compliance, focused services, ensuring environments remain safe, hygienic, and operationally aligned. But more importantly than the list of services, we provide systems. We provide structured programs. We provide accountability. And we provide schedule reporting together with supervision and measured performance. Because workplace services should not be reactive. They should be intentional. Our role is not just to clean. It is to protect your working environment, to safeguard your staff, to maintain professional standards, and to ensure that price, promises, and performance aligns with what you are paying for. If you're looking for a workplace services partner that operates with structure, accountability, and professionalism, Crystal Mount is built for that purpose.